Hey there, web developers. Today I want to show you how to use online CSS generators like a pro. These tools can save you tons of time and help you create beautiful, functional websites. Let's dive in. First off, what is a CSS generator? It's a handy tool that allows you to generate CSS code with a user-friendly interface. Instead of writing code from scratch, you just tweak some settings, and voila, you get your CSS code ready to go. The first tool I recommend is CSS Gradient. Gradients can be tricky, but with CSS Gradient, you just choose your colors, adjust the angle, and copy the code. Easy peasy. Next up, let's talk about CSS Grid Generator. If you're working with CSS Grid, this tool is a lifesaver. You can visually design your grid, set the number of columns and rows, and it spits out the code for you. It's super intuitive, and a huge time saver. Speaking of grids, have you tried Flexbox Froggy? It's actually a game that teaches you Flexbox while you play. It's fun, interactive, and by the end, you'll have a solid grasp of Flexbox properties. Not exactly a generator, but definitely worth mentioning. Now for animations, check out Animista. This tool lets you create custom CSS animations with ease. You can tweak the timing, delay, and iteration, and then simply copy the generated code. It's perfect for adding that extra bit of flair to your projects. Need some fancy text effects? Look no further than CSS3 Text Generator. You can add shadows, gradients, and even 3D effects to your text. Adjust the settings and boom, you've got some stylish text ready to go. Finally, let's not forget about Box Shadow Generator. Shadows can add depth and realism to your designs. With this tool, you can play around with shadow properties and see the results in real time. Copy the code and you're done. So, why use these generators? They save you time, reduce errors, and help you experiment with new styles and techniques. Plus, they're a great way to learn and understand CSS properties without getting bogged down in the syntax. Alright, web developers, that's a wrap. Start using these online CSS generators to level up your web design game. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and creating. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more web development tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.